been a long road to follow, been there and gone tomorrow, without saying goodbye to yesterday. Other memories of home, still valid, or have the feeling to do them down. Maybe this time tomorrow the rain will cease to follow, and the mist will fade into one more today. Something somewhere up there keeps calling. Am I going home? Will I hear someone sing me songs to the silence? Zero gravity, what is life? Am I alone? Is somebody there beyond this heavy AC? Still the road keeps on telling me to go.